friends, this is the Robin's Nest by Terry. Today we're participating in the 12 Days of Christmas. Our host is the Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creates. Please check out their channel, and the link to the 12 Days of Christmas playlist will be in the description box and in the comments, so you can find other fun Christmas DIYs to watch. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you enjoy Terry painting her snowman.
Hey everybody, I am just cleaning up my mess. This is how one project looks for me to paint. I am the messiest painter ever. Seriously, the messiest. Look at my hands, look at my clothes, the whole thing. I've been gone, so yeah, sometimes when you're out of your element for a while, it takes a while to start getting back into the groove of things. So I just pulled this door hanger that I've had sitting around over there and decided to just start painting. And I love how it turned out. This minute. Okay, let me bring you up on my iPad so I can see everybody. If I didn't see you today, I am so glad to be home and back to work. Do you ever go on vacation and you can't wait to get home and get back to work? Hi, Jewel. Melissa, I know it's your favorite color. Hi, Judy. Hi, Nancy. When I first started, I was going to add some pink, more pink than teal. And then once I started, I was like, nope, I don't need no pink. We'll just keep on with the teal. So, anyway, sometimes if I'm gone, I haven't painted. I didn't even look at my clipboard full of things to do while I was gone. I just didn't feel well. And so when I got home, I was like, oh no. Did you ever leave and then you come back and you say, how did I do this? I don't think I can do it again. Well, I just pulled out this snowflake that's been hanging around here for the past year or so and just started painting inside my Painting for Profits group. So, yeah, it is all over there. Oh, Colleen. I wonder how to get that over there on there. Okay, so I pretty much did it while I was over in Painting for Profits and teaching it as a project. But while I was doing it, I thought, this needed to have snowflakes right here because it's such a big piece. Well, it's not, it is big. I think it's 18 or 20 inches. So it is pretty big. But when I diamond dust this, it's going to look so pretty. Judy, you've been getting notified too? Good deal. Hi, Vicki. Hi, Kathy. So burnout is totally real, and I had no expectations for anything to turn out because, like I said, it's been days since I've painted, except for teaching that Highland cow. And You know, I always say that's what the burn pile's for. So if you're if you're a painter especially, or you're a creative, sometimes you don't think about it. You just get the piece out and you just start and see where it ends up. Because I had no plan today when I saw this. Yeah. Oh, Nancy, did you just recently start getting them? I know when I go to other people's Facebook pages, I see that now, get notified when they go live. So if you haven't tried that, it should pop up on your screen. And if you click that, you're going to get notified better there than what Telegram can do. So I'm glad they're notifying people. Oh. Now, I gotta go live more because I gotta get my mojo going again. I gotta get back in the swing of things. So I like that it's all teal. You got a little bit of an orange nose, but I used teal and a sea moss green. And I think the colors are really pretty. And I really want to diamond dust it, but I really want to let Steve make a print of it as well, so kind of torn. Thank you, Jane. So I was live earlier today and talking about Oklahoma, all the nice things that people brought to us, presenters. I did not make it to, I didn't make it to, I think I was only there on Sunday for 2 or 3 hours. So I wasn't feeling well, so I stayed. In fact, if I hadn't paid for that third night, we would have taken off on Saturday or Friday night and came home. And Saturday night. Do a print. Well, this one would be a good print because this one is not one that my husband could cut again. I got to go through and kind of touch up where I was sloppy in some areas, but if I'd known I was going to make it into a print, I would have taken a little bit more time on it. 5, 5, 5. I know everybody's counting my dots to see if I missed any. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of diamond dust on it. Now, once I'm finished with it, I want all of these little spokes out, the whole thing diamond dusted, and on the inside I just want his hat and the scarf area. So we're gonna do that up real quick. I'm not gonna put it on those sides because he will have a hard time doing that. Oh, you're so sweet, Judy. Thank you. Well, what's nice about this is once I send it over, I can have it made into an ornament as well. It doesn't have to be this big. I can get them any size I want, so that's a plus. Now, I mean, the machine will cut it and print on it at this, or not the same time, but I don't know how. I mean, you know, you always worry about the stability when it's cut like this. This one's cut fine, and a large one would cut fine, but they're around MDF. But ornaments would be cute with it. Thank you, Carolyn. Let's just add some up here. So I didn't really get to watch too much of Virtual Home Decor Marketplace this weekend. They had pop-up sales on Saturday, which by pop-up sales, they were 15 minutes long. And then we had sales on Sunday night as well. So you can catch replays up until Tuesday night. You remember what day it is. Nope, I think it's that spot out. I know Steve would rather me wait on this, but so cute. And then, of course, once it's sealed, it's really going to shine. Hi, Kathy. Thank you. Thank you to both Kathys. Kathy and Kathy, spelled differently. And Marianne posted the link for Virtual Home Decor Marketplace. If you have not been over there, it is a place where the ladies inside of my painting group and some other ladies get together and they've taken their craft shows online, just like going to their craft booth, because most of them used to be crafters, and now they just sell it online. Okay, let's see if I can get most of it to go off. That just makes it right there, and once I do each of those little spokes around there, it will be really pretty. I didn't do stencils in the snowflakes because when I do stencils, it doesn't look like mine anymore. It looks like it's somebody else's. So I just put my own simple snowflakes on there, and it works out just fine. I mean, they're not fancy, but that's okay. So can you see that? Oh, you can see it a little bit. It is so hard to see with that. Yes, you can seal over diamond dust as long as you use a glossy finish. If you're going to use matte, you wouldn't want to. Thank you, Tony. So I just use a clear outdoor sealer. Yeah, I was going to add pink to it. That was my main thought when I started this, was to have it pink with some teal in it, but then that teal, and it was really a teal color, it was folk art teal. And so there's only two colors in this other than the black and the orange. There's a sea moss and the teal. Those are the only two colors other than black and orange that are on here. And just by shading and highlighting on there, it kind of turned it different. Becky White, hello. Hi, Vicky. Is it the same way? I think they turned out really cute. Thank you, Colleen. So I don't dare put diamond dust on these right now because, like I said, it's going to be scanned so I can have some made into ornaments and into whatever size I want. But I'm loving the spackling look again. I never splattered. I was never a big splattered fan. And now all the things from the 80s are... Please, thank you for joining me tonight. I will catch you guys all again tomorrow night. Good night, everyone.